Consider an 8x8 chessboard. The number of ways 8 rooks can be placed on the board such that no 2 rooks are in the same row and no 2 are in the same column. Brilliant question. Super challenging. It's called a rook polynomial. And we'll do it by the simplest, juiciest method, taking for granted that this is one of those things that you know. Otherwise, it's very difficult to figure out in the exam hall. I'm going to go brick by brick and say, hey, let's place one rook in this row. Right, so I'm going to go row by row. Let's take one rook in this row, row 1. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 options for us to place the rook. Hypothetically, let's say the rook is placed here. I'm placing a cylindrical thing, not a rook exactly. And you move to row 2. Very simple funda. You move to row 2, R2. No 2 rooks can be placed in the same row. So for this row, there's only one rook. For this row, I have to place one rook. The question says 8x8 chessboard. The number of ways 8 rooks can be placed on the board such that no 2 rooks are in the same row and no 2 rooks are in the same column. Look at R2. This is out. I cannot place a rook here. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 options are available. Hypothetically, let me say I'm putting the rook here. Then move to R3. This is out. This is out. 6 options are there. Let me say I'm putting it here. Go to R4. This is out. This is out. This is out. 5 options here. 4, 3, 2, 1. The last rook is going to have only one free column, one free row. Put that in. We are through. How many combinations are possible? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Just 8 factorial.